So we just arrived at the West Palm Beach terminal for the Margaritaville cruise, and we're going to be checking in to get onto the ship. You can see the ship from the terminal right here. Looking forward to having a good time. So after you've checked in here at the terminal, you can sign up for your shore excursions. You can get drink packages, and this is where you also pick your dining times as well. And then after you've done all that, it's ready to get on board the ship. So we're boarding the ship now, walking along the tunnel to paradise, the Margaritaville cruise line ship, and we're getting on board the Margaritaville at Sea ship. About to have a great time here on the Margaritaville ship. You're greeted when you first get on. Welcome aboard. When you first come on board, you're greeted by the Margaritaville parrot, and they'll take your picture with him.
Here's Sean meeting the parrot at the flip-flop.
So in the main lobby, they got this giant sculpture of a flip-flop, and you can see that he stepped on a pop top right there. So here's our room on board. This is room 6052. And as you come in, there's a little closet with some robes that you can wear. You've got a porthole here in this room. Here's your bed. They've got the TV going. This is a pull-down bed that you can use if you have a third passenger with you. Your room steward will pull it down for you and make it available as a place to sleep. And then here's your bathroom as well. Of course, they got the sink, mirror. They got a small little area to shower with a shower curtain. So there is your bathroom and room here on the Margaritaville cruise ship. So we just got on board. We're at the Euphoria bar, and they got this concert playing from Jimmy Buffett on the big screen, and here he is singing Margaritaville. So here at the Euphoria area is where you check in if you have the soda package. And as part of the soda package, you get these sippy cups. You can pick between an alligator and a pink shark. So this is going to be for our son. So we got him the cute alligator here. Here at the Euphoria Lounge, they got a bar and live music throughout the cruise. And here's the pool, the DJ, and the bars that are found up here on the Margaritaville cruise ship. Here's the pool where you can have a license to chill and swim around and have some fun. And here on the pool deck, along with a DJ and a pool, they also got this nice little bar where you can get drinks and margaritas to go. Here on the pool deck, they got the chill bar with a license to chill, and these guys are gonna take care of you and pour you some drinks. So here we are at the deck party, sailing away, having a good time.
Here we go, go Charlie, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the best mixologist on the 7 seas. Hey, he got skills like no one. Here we go, work it, Kelly, get it girl, wiggle it, get it,
So right off of the Euphoria Lounge, here's their game room. And this is where you can come in and play cards, chess, or checkers. They got a few things to choose from here. There's a puzzle. Looks like there's a chess and backgammon game. And plenty of tables for cards and playing games like dominoes and stuff like that. And on board, they also have an arcade here. So this is where you can come in and play some games. Looks like they got some big buck hunting game. They got where you can shoot basketballs. They got this Jurassic Park game. They got an Injustice, looks like fighting game. A photo booth, a place where you can get a Margaritaville cap, play some more games. And then down here at the end, they got skee ball as well. So they have the Parakeet's Kids Club area on board, and here's where they watch your kids while you sail. They've also got a little chapel on board here. So just a little spot. If you wanted a religious service on a Sunday, this is where you go. So they got the Margaritaville Casino here on board. And as you enter in, they have some claw games that you can play to win some plushies and different items here on board. And then you enter the main casino area. So here's the casino area with all the slot machines and the table games that you can play here on the Margaritaville cruise line. So here's their Stars on the Water theater and bar. They have a bar right outside the theater here that's closed right now. You can see they got the gate over it. But if you come right around the corner here, you can enter the theater area of the Stars on Water theater and bar. They got some tables down at the end and then seating up on top. So here on board, they also have the Compass Rose Conference Center. And here's where you can book a conference for business or perhaps a party. And this is their conference room that they have available right here. So pretty spacious. You can see that they have some seating. They got some tables available, podium, and a screen that comes down if you want to do some projections. So this is their conference center. Here's the Margaritaville coffee shop. Here's where you can get some specialty coffee. They also have some, looks like gelato that you can get here, some ice cream and stuff you can get. And this guy will fix you up a delicious drink of coffee or get you some awesome ice cream.
Little Cuban espresso.
So here's some Cuban espresso, which I've gotten in Miami before. It is awesome.
Yes, it is.
All right, he says it's delicious. I'm gonna try it later on. Thank you, my friend.
No problem.
And here's the seating area as well. So this is the Margaritaville St. Somewhere Spa. Here's their room for doing aerobics and yoga. So this is the Fins Up Fitness Center that they have on board. And here's where you can come. They got treadmills, they got rowing machines, bikes, and other areas to work out, including a free weight area right over here. So if you're interested in working out while you're on board the cruise ship, this is the place to come. So here on deck 12, they have the hottest thing going, which is pickleball. And this is Paradise Pickleball at Sea. And here's their pickleball court found in the front of this deck right here. And you can see they got this nice little court where you can play some pickleball if you're interested. So here on deck 14, they got the Hemisphere nightclub that you can go to. And this is open in the evenings. So they have pool that you can play here. So here's a pool table. If you put some money in, you can play some rounds of pool. Along with pool, they also have some air hockey you can play here at the Hemisphere nightclub. They got some seating areas as well. They have a bar that is open later on in the evening. You can see it says Hemisphere nightclub right there in the back of the bar. And here's where you can have a little dance floor and do some dancing in the front of the ship here at the Hemisphere nightclub on deck 14. Also on board, they have the Keys on the Water Dueling piano bar, and this is found in the front of the ship. And here's where they have the dueling pianos and a bar where you can get some drinks and listen to some great, awesome music with the dueling pianos while you enjoy some cocktails and beverages here at the bar. So here's their shopping area on board. At this particular shop, they have beverages, adult drinks, perfumes, and cigarettes they can get. They also have some chips and food that you can get as well. So if you want some adult beverages and good deals on cigarettes, this is the way to go. And this is Island Time Souvenirs and Gifts. This is the place to come if you want some towels or hats and flip-flops. Souvenirs and gifts found here. So here's the Island Reserve shop. In this particular shop, they have clothing you can get. They got little statues and t-shirts and beach towels as well. And here at the Live Life Like a Song shop, they got more t-shirts and memorabilia. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, thank you. How are you?
Good. They got coffee mugs, t-shirts, some drink coasters, and more t-shirts over here as well. And here at the Margaritaville shop, this is where you can get some jewelry. They've got earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and various jewelry you can get at prices discounted here. So here's where you can get some bracelets and necklaces made. Tammy here got a nice little
Dolphin
bracelet made, and she got a necklace made for her little Darwin charm.
There it is.
So here's the photo shop. This is where if you get some photos taken on board, you come here and check them out and you can purchase them. So this is the Finn's dining room, and here's where you eat dinner. You can see that they have the table set up with some window views here and there. When you first get on board, they have a buffet set up here so that the regular buffet area isn't as full as normal. They have a secondary buffet here as well, but they only have the buffet here in the Finn's dining room when you first get on board the ship. So this is their JWB Prime Steakhouse, where you can come. If you pay a little bit of extra money, you get a little bit better food here. And it's a very beautiful area. You can see they got the wine glasses out. They got some tables here. So this is the Steakhouse that you can come to as one of their premier dining areas on board the Margaritaville cruise line. So here's the Port of Indecision buffet on the Margaritaville cruise ship. This is the lunch buffet where you can get rice, pork and peas, beef stew, pork tenderloin, some chicken casserole, and fish with salsa. And here at the buffet you can make your own salad. Here's where they have some different vegetables and lettuces and toppings that you can put on your salad. And then here's the dressings as well. You can get to the soup of the day here. Here's some chicken noodle soup that they have available right now. So here's the carving station. On lunch on the first day, they got some turkey that they'll carve fresh for you. Here's the sides to go along with your turkey, including some white rice, some string beans, and grilled vegetables. So at this area of the buffet, you can make your own sandwich. They give you hamburger buns and hot dog buns, and you got some deli meats here that you can choose from as well, and then various toppings that you can put on your homemade sandwich as well. Here's where you can get a hot dog for lunch. They've got some hot dogs right here. The buns are over there. There's some grilled onions, and here's some pigs in a blanket that you can get. Here's the fixings for your hot dog. They got sauerkraut, some cheese, and jalapenos that you can put on your hot dog. So this guy's gonna make you up some fresh paninis if you want it. You got a ham sandwich, a turkey sandwich, or a salami sandwich. He puts it on the grill, and it's delicious and ready to eat. And here's the pasta station where you can get different mixings for your pasta. And here's the bow tie, spaghetti, and different noodles that they'll mix up and give you whatever pasta you want. So here's the drink station where you can get some drinks. You can get water, cranberry juice, and coffees as well. Here's where you can get some dessert and some fruit at the buffet. And here's where you can get an ice cream cone or an ice cream sundae. And this is the Cheeseburger and Paradise Burger Bar. And this is where you can make up your own hamburger, get some french fries, have a cheeseburger, get a bun, and then right over here you can put any fixings you want on your hamburger. A Cheeseburger in Paradise fixing station and Cheeseburger in Paradise bar. So this is the 5 o'clock somewhere bar where you can order some drinks and beverages, and they have the famous blender here on display as well. So on decks 11 and 12 they have the adults only area. They have a bar here where you can sit and enjoy some cocktails, some drinks, and some beer. And then right below that, they have the adult-only pool area with lounge chairs. So here's the adults-only pool, which tends to be pretty quiet throughout the cruise. So this is a great way to come and relax as well on the back of the ship. And then also a couple steps up from the pool, they also have a couple adults only hot tubs. Adios. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We did.